What it do, guys? So if this is your first time coming onto this channel, what's up? It's your girl Lovely Erica, and for those that are always watching, my subscribers out there, what's up? What it do? So I have a video coming to you guys. So I personally love to wear head wraps, and I figured it was time to like show you guys what I do and how I rock them. I mean, who doesn't like a good head wrap anyways? I think head wraps work. Why do I feel like most people wear head wraps on a bad hair day? Or is it just me? But anyways, I needed to get a video out, and I figured why not share how I wear a couple of my head wraps, some of the head wraps that I do have, and some alternatives if you don't have head wraps from a specific company, what you can use and turn into a head wrap. So if you're interested, then stay tuned and keep watching. Let's just get into the video. Alright guys, so I just went ahead and took the head wrap that I was wearing off. I wanted to kind of show you what is my base underneath here. It's really nothing special. It's just two braids that I put back onto each side and just pin back there. So what you want to do before you actually put on your head wrap is, you know, I lay down my edges or whatnot. I'm not really caring about any of these like little flyaways or things like that because it will be covered, so that doesn't matter. But you can just go ahead and stroke your edges any way you like to. I think if you have hair like I do, I'm a 3C4A hair texture. Could be easier if you braid your hair either back or to the side like I do, depending on length as well. I know there's plenty of tutorials out there where some women put their hair up into a pineapple and put their hair up in the front, but this is kind of how it works best for me, is when I have it in two braids. So let's move on to how I put on my head wraps. So I'm going to show you guys 4 different ones that I have and that I use frequently. The first one you guys saw was the black one, and then I also have this one here, which kind of has like some burgundy going on and stuff like that. But the special thing about these two is that these are not head wraps, guys. These are scarves. So I got this one from Russe. And honestly, I don't remember where I got this black one from. I really don't. And I'm going to show you guys how you can use a scarf as a head wrap, because it works just the same. So I'm going to start with the black one that I had on. This one is really, really long. Like super long. Okay? Too long. And you're going to want to fold it. So like you're going to want to roll it over like so. I don't know if you guys can see that, but if you see that there, you're gonna want to roll it over like so, kind of like that. You see that? Let's thick enough. So this is what it's gonna look like now. So all right, you're gonna take it, pull it down in the back like that. Okay, I hope you guys can see that. You're gonna take it, roll it, you're gonna place it right back here like so. Okay, then we come back around and now you're looking like this in the front. So then I take it and literally just like you're tying a shoe, you tie it. Now you want to be really careful with scarves and head wraps. You really don't want to make it too tight where like you can't breathe or anything like that. So just, you know, get it as nice and tight as you like. I want to push it a little bit behind my edges. And I like when some of my braid is showing. So you take that like that. And this is the first method. So you can either twist it, roll that bad boy around, and stuff it. Okay, so this is one style, and that's pretty much just 2-strand twisting the scarf and then wrapping it around really tight and then stuffing the bottom. So this is what it looks like. Now we're gonna move on to style number 2. I'm gonna be using this scarf that I got from Russe. This scarf is so long that I literally have to fold it in half. So you have to play around and kind of know the length of your scarves. You don't want it to be like too long where you can't really wrap it around your head well. So I wrap this one in half, and instead of using the opened side where you split it in half, you're gonna use the edge. There we go, we got her tied. And then another method is just rolling it around. Just gonna roll it around each other. And then you take it. And I don't wanna do mine too tight because I want this to look thick and full and pretty. So here is another scarf example. Let's move on to my actual head wraps. All right, so this is one of my favorite head wraps that I have. I got this from Wrapped by Nails, and I'll be sure to put the link down below so that you guys can go shop with her. She always has the bombest sales and beautiful prints. So this is one print. I absolutely am obsessed with this. If you can see, isn't it so beautiful, right? So pretty. So this one is absolutely perfect length. Like, I don't need to put it in half, do some of it in half or a quarter, whatever. It is perfect. So you're literally just gonna start and put this in the back, like so. Now, with African prints, like African head wraps or whatever, the fabric on these are like really tightening. Like, you can tie it really tight. So you want to be very careful that you're not killing your brain, okay? So after I've tied it, I'm going to do one style where I twist this side, come over, and stuff it. Then I twist this side, go over. You gotta be like really careful. Go over, keep twisting, twisting, and try to go under. Okay, I think I got it. Alright, so this is one of my other favorite styles. So the key to getting this style is you want to be very for certain that you're really diligent and careful, and try to get each piece to like stay in and not be out. If that makes any sense, you just have to be really diligent with it. But this is another one of my favorite styles to do with a head wrap, and this one is from Wrapped by Nails. So make sure you guys check her out. You guys have to check her out, and I will put that down below as well. But this is, isn't this bomb? Okay, so now we're gonna move into our fourth style. This wrap is from The Wrap Life, and I love this print as well. This is perfect length. You do not need to cut it in half. You don't have to do it in quarters. It is perfect length. So what you're going to do is literally just take it and put it behind your head like the last wraps. Like so. And make sure your sides are even. That's major key too. So then once you get it back there, you know, put it through and tie it. And as you can see, I like to tie above my braids. I like when my braids show a little bit. I know I was telling you guys that, but I do like when my braids show a little bit. Okay. And so for my last favorite style, just gonna open that up there. So if you saw that, just opening it up, pulling it over, and then slightly rolling my ends and stuff it. And then for this side, do the same, or try to do the same. Put it over, like so. Roll it. Stuff it in there. And then, you know, feel real fleeked or whatever, you know what I'm saying? So this is the fourth style. That's kind of what it looks like there on this side. This is this side, and I'm going to show you guys the back. Alright guys, well I hope those tips and tricks, I know this video was super short, but I hope those tips and tricks help you guys so that you know how to use your head wraps, as well as if you don't have any head wraps but you're really into it, you can always use a scarf, and make sure your scarves are long enough length where you can tie and do any real cool technique or style that you want. But these are kind of my 4 main styles that I do all the time. And I love them, and I hope that you guys love this video too. Now, to get to the important part, I just need you guys to subscribe. If you're watching this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. And thanks so much to the guys that have been continuing supporting me. Well, my loves, I should say, have been continuing to support me and have been subscribed. Stay tuned for more videos. If there's any video that you want specifically, then be sure to drop them in the comment section below. And that's all, folks. So I will catch you in the next one. Peace.